Hey guys, does anybody know what this is? It's a whirligig. They come from maple trees. They're the little seeds that fall down and they make a really cool action. Like this, watch. Whoop. You may not have whirligigs around your yard, but I'm going to show you a way you can make your own. Okay, so we're going to be making them out of grass leaves. Okay, so this would be a really good one, but you don't want to get your leaf too short. You want to pick a nice long one, because if they're too short, they're going to look all lopsided like this one. But you also don't want to get a super thin leaf like this one. You want to get one that's a little bit more broad, that's just the right, so when we do it, it'll actually kind of float down, just like this. Let's look for the perfect piece of grass to use. Ooh, I think I found one. No, too stubby. Let's see if we can find a better one. Aha, I think I found it. All right, so now we just pick it, and the next step is to tie it. Okay guys, to make our whirligig, we're basically just gonna tie a knot. So, kind of like when you tie your shoes, we'll make bunny ears, crisscross them over, and bring one through the loop. And you want to try to get it right in the middle, and be gentle at the same time so it doesn't break, and pull the knot together. You don't really have to pull it super tight, or else it'll break. But there we have it. Not too bad. I didn't get it quite even enough, but we can try it out and see how it works. And that's how you make a grass whirligig.